DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Ford Mondeo. It's the 1.6 diesel ECOTec, finishing absolutely beautiful performance blue. There's some upgraded aftermarket gloss black alloys, privacy glass to the rear. Bodywork's in lovely condition. It's got reverse camera. Really has come out well. Boots are huge on these. Huge boot. Parcel shelf. Interior's in lovely condition. It's got electric windows, mirrors, auto headlights, 6-speed gearbox, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. Start the car, it's done 88,732 miles. It's got DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, satellite navigation, reverse camera, air conditioning blowing absolutely lovely freezing cold, centre armrest, augs in there, USB. Great price range for Mondeo in a lovely colour. At DJH we provide full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.